Okay, so this is going to be a squishy collection to get started. So first I put them in this small container, but I have some silicone in here and like some condensation things, but I'm not doing the condensation things. I keep it in here. I already took them out and I put them in categories. So I'm starting with the homemade one, then the donuts, then the buns, then the giant things, then the toast. Yeah, then the burgers, um, then the animals, then the game, computer, games, and random, and then the cereal. Let's start. Okay, this is the homemade one. This is love. I made it with my friend. Now onto the um donuts. Okay, so first I got this donut from Quiet Clay. She gave me an extra. I love this donut. My friend loves this donut too. And then I got this donut from Quiet Kendall. And then I got this donut from Kawaiiland. Most of the things here are from Kawaiiland, so okay, now I only have 3 donuts, 2 buns, 2 giant things, 2 toast, 3 hamburgers, 1 animal, 1 computer game, well, not computer game, thing on your phone, 1 random, and 1 15 sandwiches. So yeah, okay, now on the buns, I have this medium-sized bun, and it has a strap and a second strap. And then I have this little gourmet bun. I love it. And then the giant things, I have this huge melon pan. Adorable. And then I have this huge pancake. Okay, so compared to my head. Okay, now on to the toast. I have this wide toast. And I'm getting more squishies on my birthday, so yeah. And I have this more toast. And then I have this hamburger mirror.
Wait, why is a discarded number here?
Look at my computer. Okay. And then I have 2 regular ones. This one's scented amazing. This smug face burger. And this big green face. Let's see if this is scented.
She's a relative of mine who was just placed under my care all of a sudden. Yeah, that's it, she is. Hey, cool. Oh, you're hungry. Oh, you poor thing. I'll go get you something to eat right away.
This one's really, really squishy.
That was where I saw you for the first time. It was so strange. I thought Musubi and I were dead for sure, but somehow we survived.
This smells really good. I love this.
Like that tree caught
It's really squishy. Feel this.
my God.
I know. It's really squishy. Right beside me is just my sister watching some anime. And then the animal. I think this is a hedgehog or something. It's really sad. Now onto the game thing. I have this Angry Bird squishy. It's really hard to squish. It cracks my nose. beautiful. And then I have this earth. Now it's Sanrio things, Sanrio things, Sanrio things, Sanrio.
He's like, what the fuck?
Okay, so let's start off with the Hello Kitty, and then the Rillakkuma, and then the Gorillakuma, and then the Kyoto. Okay, so I have this Hello Kitty waffle. All the things fell off because I squished it too much.
Oh!
And then I have this, and I might sell trade it with LOL to UTNI. It's a Hello Kitty Steve one. So yes, we're okay. Now on to the Rillakkuma. This is my all-time favorite. It is the Rillakkuma Steam Bun, and it's really, really squishy. And then I have this Rillakkuma Toast. None of these are for trade.
It's so squishy! Yes, dude! My god!
And then I have this Rillakkuma head, Rillakkuma bread head. And then I have this Rillakkuma cookie. And then I have
Ghost Story!
two Rillakkuma cake rolls. And then I have the last Rillakkuma thing I have is this Rillakkuma ice cream R. Hi.
Give me that, no shit.
And then I have two
It's so hard to
creams.
squeeze.
I know. This one's the squishiest. It's really, really squishy.
Liar! Alex, a liar!
So I have two Rillakkuma in a bunny costume. So I have golden brown and
Alex Conrad.
Where'd you go? Okay. Oh yeah, and for the Rillakkuma, I have another Rillakkuma. It's Rillakkuma Bamira.
It's time I repaid the favor to her now that she's safe. So, I suppose it ain't
And
how's number 108 doing? She's tired. Oh, look at the poor little dear. She's all tuckered out. Aside from that, she's not.
I have this Kiratori in a mushroom costume.
Besides, she's got a scary landlady protecting her too.
And then I have two Kiratori breads. So I have this original one.
I know more about him than anyone else.
And this squishy and this yellow one. It's really
Oh,
awesome.
how did that get low battery?
So yeah, that is my squishy collection. I don't have that much. Well, as you can see, I have a little bit, but none of these are for trade except for this one, because it's for LOL and we might trade out. So yeah, that's all I have. And as you can see that I don't have that much. So yeah, I hope you like this video and bye.